Hey lovelies! I'm introducing my Glam Glue so that you'll be able to use this product to adhere your glitters to your eyes or to your body or what have you. So I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to use it. So I'm just going to squeeze some out onto my hand. And then take an eyeshadow brush. It's by Crown Brush and it's the C469 Precision Concealer Brush, and just use that to spread it out on my hand. Then I'll be taking Midnight Madness Chunky Glitter. It's a beautiful black holographic glitter, and just patting that on my hand where I applied the Glam Glue. And in case you're wondering, there's no harsh smell of chemicals or anything to it. It is cruelty free. I did try it on myself and I did not experience any irritation on my lids. So I'm just going to touch it so that you can see that no glitter came off. Of course, you might get the odd one or two, but it will stay on your lids. And I'm just shaking my hand like crazy just so you can see that no chunks are falling off or anything. So lovelies, grab yourself some Midnight Madness or any other glitter and some Glam Glue and create that gorgeous look. Thanks for watching.